Oh, look who it is, Lou. I've been glued to the computer all day. I gotta stop. I gotta take a break on those Slim Jims. I can feel it in my toes, the gout there. I didn't get the vitamin D that I wanted, or the exercise. But tomorrow's Sunday, the Lord's Day. And it's always a good day for a little hike before people get up. Yeah, alright, well, technically I did record something already, but it wasn't much, got interrupted. Hopefully there's a little, whatchamacallit, time lapse of the sun going down. I was on my computer all day. I did some productive things, but that's what I was doing. I did do my Spanish lesson. I know you were wondering. It's gonna get cold tonight, so have the old heater back up. Prepared something special. Something I would eat on the road if I was staying at a Walmart parking lot, which sounds pretty fun right now. You know, there are some instances sometimes where being in like a Home Depot or a Walmart parking lot or something like that, like inside a city, is more fun than being in the middle of the woods. I don't know. There's just some type of energy. There's people around you. You're doing something you're really not supposed to be doing in most cases. I don't know. I look on some of those moments fondly. But we've all had these fries, but this one comes in a fun little tray thing. And you throw it in the microwave. And you know what we're going to do to really set this off? Is we're going to use a special ingredient. That's right, some Old Bay. So we're going to get the Old Bay there. Alright, well this is kind of cool. This goes like this. You unfold it, then you tear it off. They both have silver sides. We all know what the silver side does, but this is the first time it asked me to do that, to make it like an oven. Fries in a single layer, then push down. One interesting thing is we got a couple baddies. This is a green one. I think that's just from the potato. Questionable. That looks more like potato. I don't know. So for this next step, we're going to have to turn this guy off. Ugh, I don't even have this plugged up here. Let's see if it's going to be a pain to get to. No. Alright. Kind of scared to do this, but yeah, here we go. There we go. 4 minutes. Let's see if it's done. We have some coloring. They're close. Another minute and a half? Let's give that a go. Okay, I think they're done now. Put that there. Yep. I will say the texture is a little crispy. Not bad. Oh, makes me want ketchup so bad. Alright, let's try just a little bit of this first. Okay. Boom. Mmm. It's really good. Again, could be cooked a little bit longer. So I'd probably say 6 minutes on this type of setup. I think this is supposed to be a 1500 watt. Who knows what it's able to get out right now. Because we're hooked up to 20 amp. Overall,